Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to LifeCrafters Academy, your go-to source for all things skincare. Today, we've got a fantastic video in store for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of skincare and share 6 essential tips to help you achieve and maintain healthy, radiant skin. So, if you're ready to glow, let's get started. Number 1. Know your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, understanding your unique skin type is the first step towards an effective skincare routine. Take the time to assess your skin, and if you're unsure, consult a dermatologist for guidance. Number 2. Cleansing routine. Establish a proper cleansing routine. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare regimen. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities. Remember to cleanse in the morning and before bedtime to keep your skin clean and fresh. Number 3. Moisturize regularly. Keep your skin hydrated. Moisturizing is crucial, even if you have oily skin. Find a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it daily. Proper hydration helps maintain the skin's barrier function and keeps it looking plump and youthful. Number 4. Sun protection. Protect your skin from the sun. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. This step is vital to prevent premature aging, sunspots, and skin cancer. Number 5. Healthy lifestyle. Embrace a healthy lifestyle. What you put inside your body reflects on your skin. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, and get enough sleep for skin rejuvenation. Number 6. Consistency and patience. Be consistent and patient. Achieving healthy, glowing skin takes time and dedication. Stick to your skincare routine and don't be discouraged by immediate results. Over time, your skin will thank you. So there you have it, our 6 essential tips for healthy skincare. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection but about loving and caring for the skin you're in. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to LifeCrafters Academy, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more skincare tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments your favorite skincare routine or any questions you may have. Until next time, stay beautiful.